Hey guys, it's Nick from F150LEDs.com. Today we're here with our 2003 Ford F-150 Lariat, and we're going to be showing you how to swap out the dingy front blinker and marker lights here with some high-powered LEDs from F150LEDs.com. Now this upgrade is not only going to make the truck look a lot better, but it's going to make you more visible to other drivers, making you and your family safer. So it's a great upgrade, it's easy to do, and Adam's going to show us how it's done right now.
Alright, so the first step to removing this front turn signal assembly is there's a small Torx head screw located right behind the assembly. We're going to take a size T15 driver. I'm going to go ahead and remove this screw. So once we have that screw removed, we're just going to reach behind this assembly, grab here on the front, and just wiggle them with a little bit of pressure from behind. This will pop right out. We'll go ahead and remove our turn signal harness, just like so. Okay, now that we've removed our assembly, we're going to give this a counterclockwise turn. We'll pull right out, exposing our old OEM bulb. Now when you're removing this bulb, be very careful. Make sure you pull away from the base of the bulb. And be sure not to give the glass too much pressure or it will shatter in your hand. So now we have that removed, we're going to take our MK2 front blinker bulb and then slide it right into place. You'll hear it click. Now, once you've installed this, if you go to turn your blinkers on or your running lights on and they're not working, don't worry, these bulbs are polar sensitive. So just come out to your truck, give it a 180-degree turn, then click it back into place and you should be good to go. So now we'll slide this bulb in, give it a clockwise turn, and we're ready to reinstall our assembly. Each of our front blinker kits comes with our splice-in style resistors that'll prevent any hyperflashing from happening with these bulbs. Now for this particular year model, we already have these resistors installed at the rear of our truck, so we're not currently experiencing any hyperflashing in the front. But if you do need to see how to install these resistors, click this card above and I'll show you how to do so. So now all we need to do is reconnect our harness to the bulb. Once we've done that, this would be a good time to check your bulb to make sure everything's working properly. We've already done so. So we're good. All we need to do is slide this assembly back into place, reinsert our screw, and you're good to go.
Thanks Adam for showing us how easy it is to upgrade these front marker and turn signal lights on the 97 to 03 Ford F-150 truck. It's a great upgrade. The camera doesn't capture how bright or how good these things look, but it's a definite improvement over those dingy OEM bulbs. Plus they're going to make you more visible driving at night, which is going to make you and your family and those around you safer. So it's a great upgrade. You can check it out at F150LEDs.com, where you'll find all of our custom-built LED lighting products built specifically for your Ford F-150. We truly appreciate your support. Be sure to click the subscribe button below, and we'll see you at F150LEDs.com soon. Thanks, guys.